You asked how to divide 8,000 by 7 using the long division method. 8 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Bring down 0, making 10. 10 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 7 equals 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. 30 minus 28 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. 20 minus 14 equals 6. The remainder is 6. The final result is 1,142 remainder 6.